Have you ever wondered that why these animals yawn? At first, lions, they don't yawn to show off their scariness. They do this to cool their brain and to send a signal to the pride. If one lion yawns, the whole group starts yawning too. At number 2, snakes. Yes, snakes yawn too, but they do this to adjust their jaws before hunting. At number 3, pelicans. When pelicans yawn, it looks like they're pulling their stomach out, but it's actually their spine you're seeing. At number 4, sharks. They do it to maintain their jawline. By the way, how many times did you yawn while watching this video?